A pentagon lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP, which one of its sides, such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degrees with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So as we know, we need to draw XY line. So go to normal line. We'll draw the horizontal line, and at the one end of this line we will write the capital X and other end will be Y. And then above XY line VP, because this is comes in first quadrant, all the problems we will solve in the first quadrant. So below XY line HP. Okay, next we need to select the line visible line, because the profile should be drawn with the visible line, that is the thick line. And to construct the pentagon, that means inside polygon, we have a two option. One is normal, by giving the angle we can construct it, or we have a option macros option, by using that also we can construct the inside polygons. To get that we need to go to applications, macros and run macros. Once you go to the run macros, we need to find by default the bin option comes sometimes if not come we need to activate it. So how to activate that? So we need to go to the where the software installed, that is local disk C, and here the program files. We need to find out the program files, and in that program file we need to find the solid edge V18. So once we got solid edge V18, we need to go to custom, and then in the custom we need to search the inside polygon, and then in that we have to select the bin, and the last option inside polygon .exe, we have to open it. Once you open, the pop-up will come. In that pop-up menu we can enter the polygon options. That is, here always we need to select the flat length, because the flat length we are giving it, so that's why select the flat length option. And the side, what the dimension they given 25 mm, so we need to enter 25. And number of sides, because this is the given pentagon, we have to enter 5. If hexagon means we can give the 6. And after giving that 5 edges, number of edges, that means sides, we can just click on the page. So when you click on the page, the pentagon will be comes over here. Like this also we can construct, and after we can press escape, so that will command will be exited. Like this also we can construct directly the edge condition, it is coming. And one more method is angle method. We can go to the visible line, just click it somewhere on the sheet page, and then click it, then leave it. Now we can enter all the data in ribbon bar. So first enter the sides 25, press enter, and then angle 0, and next 25, press enter, then angle is 72, then again enter 25, angle is 144, then again 25, enter, angle minus 144, and again enter 25, and then enter angle minus 72. So like this the pentagon comes, and by using rotate option we can keep it edge or corner condition. Select this option. If edge means select the one corner, and here the opposite here the opposite other end of the edge, you can pick it rotating point and make it perpendicular, then the edge condition comes. If you want to get rotate corner condition means you go to another side, any one corner, and make this edge perpendicular, so corner condition comes. Like this we can use the edge option. By giving the angles we can construct the polygon, or we can using macros application we can construct the polygon, that is here pentagon we constructed. And now we can keep this one in any proper position. By keeping, you can switch off the copy, so it will not make any copies. And once it is finished, we can give the dimensions, because it should mandate we have to show the any one dimension, that is 25 we have showed, and then give the namings A, B, C, D and E. After finishing the naming, to get the front view we need to draw the normal line from all the corners to XY line. So from C and E and then D, and then draw the line with the visible line between these two ends to get the front view. This is the front view profile. So whenever you want the zoom, you can zoom the area by using zoom area option, and whatever the area comes in that rectangle box will be zoomed in. Like this you can zoom and you can do it in a proper view. And once the finishing, naming can be given here. B is first and A is second, so we can give the visible line B dash of A dash, and then here C dash of E dash, and then here D dash, and the first step is finished. And coming to the second step, so in the question they give one, the lamina, the edge on which it is rest 45 degree, the surface, that means the surface makes an angle 60 degree with HP, that means surface inclination 60 degree, so we need to make this one 60 degree. So before that we can check the dimension, because next step it is needed. Select this dimension, it is 38.47. now click anywhere on the XY line and give the length 38.47 and angle they give 60 degree. So enter 60. Now we made it this inclination 60 degree, and you can show the dimension here. Go to angle between option, select these two edges, that is a line profile, and then XY line, the angle can be given 60 degree. And after that these are the two ends, we can get B dash of A dash and D dash. But what about C dash, E dash? To get that we can check this dimension also, that is here we got the dimension between these two lines. So this dimension is 23.78. so we can go to arc by center point option, select this point as the arc center and give the radius 23.78 and then draw the arc. So that now this point will be our C dash of E dash. After that you can delete this dimension, is not needed. And now go to move option, select the P dash of A dash and you can place it here. Okay, while moving we can switch on the copy option, so it will make number of copies. Like this we can B dash of A dash, and here this point is C dash of E dash, and then this will be D dash. And next go to normal line. To get the top view we need to draw vertical projection from the front view and horizontal projection from the top view. And same way here B and A, see the B is here, you can draw up to here, we get the B dash. And same way here E dash can be get hit here. These projection lines should be exact 90 degree and this is 180 degree. And last D, and here E, so E dash will become here, you can draw up to here, and then E dash is here. Okay, now we got all the 5 points and you can move the namings here. So A is coming on this line and A dash is here, so in this point we get A. And same way B is on this line and B dash is on this line, we will get B here. And then C is on this line and C dash is here, we will get the C on this point. And then D and D dash, and the last E and E dash. Like this we got all the 5 corners. Now we can join all these corners with the visible line. So A dash to, that means A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and back to A. Okay, now we joined all the corners with a visible line. Now the last step they give one, the edge on which it rests is inclined 45 degree to VP. So here resting edge is here B dash A dash, that means AB. This AB line should be inclined 45 degree to VP. So go to line, normal line, so draw the 45 degree line here. So when we give the angle downside it's showing minus, that's why go to the line angle here minus 45, enter, then press enter. The angle is arrested, and draw an approximate length of the line, and you can show the angle by using angle command and select these two lines and it will show the angle 45 degree line. On this 45 degree line this AB should be placed. By using move command, go to move command, switch on the copy, hold the control key, press the control button and select all these 5 edges. After selecting 5 edges then release the control. Once you release the control it will ask the picking point. So as we know, this A and B, these two corners should be placed here. So that's why I will pick from A. So making one corner now itself on the 45 degree line. So go to the point A and pick it and place it anywhere on this 45 degree line. Don't place it too near, because the D may go above XY line. That's why keep some space and place it here on the 45 degree line, point A. Once you place the point A, now go to rotate option, such that the B can also be rotated here. Same way, hold the control, select all the 5 edges, and now release the control. Now the point is A already here, it will ask the fixed point and moving point. Now fixed point is A and moving point is B, go to B, and then you can just move the cursor on the 45 degree line, it will be rotated. And after finishing, you can move the namings. A, this is A, and this point is B, and this point is C, and this point is D, and then E. So after finishing this, to get the final front view, we will draw the vertical projections from here and horizontal projections from here, and we will get the final front view. Go to line, normal line, one by one will join. A dash is on the XY line, so that's why you can draw up to the XY line, this projection line. And now from B dash is also on the XY line, you can draw up to here. And now C dash is here, you can just check it out here on this point, it will show the projection lines, and C dash you can draw up to here. And same way D dash, by using alignment indicator option, you can get that these points proper position. And the last E dash is here, you can draw up to here. And now we can write the namings first. Here A dash, and this point is B dash, and here this is C dash, and this one is D dash, and the last one is E dash. Now go to line, visible line, join all these points, A dash to B dash to C dash to D dash and E dash, and back to A dash. So like this we got final all the views, so we got it. And now to keep the names properly, go to move, switch off the copy option, and you can keep all the namings in a proper position. So it should not be overlapped or should not away from the proper position. Like this you can keep it. Okay, now everything is completed.
ಈ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೀ ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಕಾಣೆ
ಬರೀ ಇಂಥದೆಯಾ?